Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coin on KuCoin. First, you will need to set up your KuCoin account. This involves registering with your email or phone number and creating a strong password. For increased security and higher transaction limits, it is highly recommended to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. Always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator, to protect your account from unauthorized access. This foundational step ensures a secure and compliant trading experience. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund your KuCoin wallet. You have several options. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange, which is often a quick method. Alternatively, you can use fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, to purchase crypto directly through KuCoin's third-party payment partners. Another flexible option is peer-to-peer trading, allowing you to buy crypto from other users using various local payment methods. Choose the method that best suits your needs. With funds in your account, you are ready to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. Head over to the spot trading section, where you can select from hundreds of trading pairs, such as BTC versus USD. You can place a market order to buy immediately at the current best available price, ensuring quick execution. For more control, a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you wish to buy. Your order will only execute when the market reaches that price. This gives you strategic buying power. After successfully buying crypto, it is important to manage your assets wisely. Regularly check your portfolio and transaction history to keep track of your investments. For long-term holdings, consider withdrawing your cryptocurrency to a secure personal hardware or software wallet, giving you full control over your private keys. Always stay updated on market trends and KuCoin's security announcements to protect your investments. Remember, responsible asset management is key to a successful crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.